how to fix mail merge data source errors in Microsoft Word. So if you're running a mail merge in Word and getting hit with errors like Word could not open the data source, missing fields, or broken file connections, it usually means Word lost track of your Excel spreadsheet or the file is locked. So let's fix this step by step and fix the source errors. So first we need to reconnect Word to your Excel file to repair broken file paths. Open your Word document, head up to the top menu ribbon, and select the Mailings tab. After that, in the Start Mail Merge group, click on Select Recipients right here, and choose Use an Existing List. And then you just can browse your computer folders to locate your Excel file, select it, and then click Open. Then in the Start Mail Merge, in the pop-up window, select the correct sheet tab containing your contacts and make sure first row of data contains column headers is checked. Okay, in the bottom here. So let me just choose, let's choose the first one and then click OK. And that check mark at the bottom will refresh Word's link to your data. If Word throws an error saying the file is in use or cannot be accessed, your Excel spreadsheet is likely logged in the background. So for that, you just need to close your Microsoft Word completely. Open the Excel. Okay, let me just open this up. Save your contact spreadsheet and close Excel entirely. So I've already saved mine, so that's all good. If Word cannot link to a spreadsheet if it's open in another window or being edited, then reopen your Word document once more, close that. Okay, let's open this up. If a prompt appears asking to execute a SQL command to connect to your database, just click OK to restore the session. And finally, if Word connects but your merge field shows up blank or throws errors, your spreadsheet formatting needs a quick adjustment. Make sure your Excel headers sit on row 1 with no blank rows or matched cells above them. Back in Word, under Mailings tab, click Match Fields, which is this one right here, this button. If Word says unmatched next to a field like first name or address, you can just click the drop-down menu next to it and manually assign the correct column title for your spreadsheet, and then just click OK. That is it, guys. Enjoy.